Dental filling solutions, comparing costs in Turkey and Europe. When it comes to dental care, one of the most common procedures that patients undergo is dental fillings. Whether you have a cavity that needs to be filled or you simply want to replace an old filling, it's important to consider the cost of this procedure. In this video, we will compare the costs of dental fillings in Turkey and Europe so you can make an informed decision about where to get this important dental treatment. Dental fillings are necessary to repair teeth that have been damaged by decay or injury. They are typically made of a material such as amalgam, composite resin, or gold, and are used to fill in the space left behind after the decayed or damaged portion of the tooth has been removed. Dental fillings are a common procedure that is performed by dentists around the world, but the cost of this treatment can vary significantly depending on where you live. In Turkey, dental fillings are relatively affordable compared to many European countries. The cost of a dental filling in Turkey can range from $30 to $100, depending on the type of material used and the complexity of the procedure. This makes Turkey an attractive option for patients who are looking for high-quality dental care at a reasonable price. In Europe, the cost of dental fillings can be much higher. In countries like the UK, France, and Germany, the cost of a dental filling can range from $100 to $300 or more. This is due to the higher cost of living in these countries, as well as the higher overhead costs that dentists have to cover. While the quality of dental care in Europe is generally very high, the cost can be a barrier for some patients. One of the reasons why dental fillings are more affordable in Turkey is because of the lower cost of living in the country. This means that dentists in Turkey are able to offer their services at a lower price while still maintaining a high standard of care. In addition, dental tourism is a growing industry in Turkey, with many patients from Europe and other countries traveling to Turkey for affordable dental treatments. This has led to increased competition among dentists in Turkey, which has helped to drive down the cost of dental care. Another factor that contributes to the affordability of dental fillings in Turkey is the availability of high-quality materials at a lower cost. Turkish dentists have access to the latest technology and materials for dental fillings, which allows them to provide excellent care at a fraction of the cost of European dentists. This means that patients can get the same quality of care in Turkey as they would in Europe, but at a much lower price. Of course, the cost of dental fillings is not the only factor to consider when choosing where to get this procedure done. It's also important to consider the quality of care, the experience of the dentist, and the overall reputation of the dental clinic. In Turkey, there are many highly qualified dentists who have received their education and training in Europe or the United States, so patients can be confident that they are receiving high-quality care. The cost of dental fillings in Turkey is significantly lower than in many European countries, making it an attractive option for patients who are looking for affordable dental care. The availability of high-quality materials and the competition among dentists in Turkey have helped to drive down the cost of dental care while still maintaining a high standard of care. If you are considering getting dental fillings, you may want to consider traveling to Turkey for this procedure, where you can save money without compromising on quality.